Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete or restore a chat in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're trying to keep your chat list uncluttered or find a conversation you've previously deleted, we're going to cover everything you need to know, step by step. Let's start with deleting a chat. First, open Microsoft Teams and navigate to the chat option on the left-hand side of your screen. This tab will give you an organized list of active and recent chats. Look through this list to find the chat you want to delete or hide. Once you've found the chat, click on the three dots next to it, also known as the More Options menu. Clicking this will reveal a drop-down menu of actions you can take. From this list, select Delete or Hide. It's worth noting that choosing Hide will remove the chat from view, though it won't delete the conversation from the recipient's chat list. This is a great option if you just want to tidy up your own list without losing any important information. Now, you might be wondering about restoring a hidden chat. Good news, it's just as simple as hiding it. To do this, return to the chat section of Microsoft Teams. In the search bar at the top, type in the name of the person or the team chat you previously hid. As soon as you type in their name, you should see the conversation reappear. Click on the chat, and just like that, it's restored to your active chat list. Convenient, right? However, it's important to clarify that once a chat is deleted, it cannot be restored or retrieved. This is something to be aware of, so think carefully before deciding to delete a chat permanently. Hiding is reversible and could serve as a safer initial step if you're unsure. Let's not forget about mobile users who perform these tasks on their smartphones. The process is very similar on mobile devices. Open the Microsoft Teams app on your phone and head over to the Chats tab. Once there, find the chat you want to delete or hide. Simply tap and hold on the chat until a menu appears with the option to delete or hide it. To restore a chat on mobile, use the search feature at the top of the screen to find your hidden chat, and tap it to bring it back into view. In summary, whether you're using Microsoft Teams on desktop or mobile, managing your chat list is simple and efficient. Just remember that hiding is easily reversible, while deleting is permanent. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and you feel confident in managing your Microsoft Teams chats. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.